welcome to my channel. Welcome to It's Rachel. Okay guys, in this video I will be doing a review, and this product was sent to me. It's a free gift, this one. Okay, and this is it's a car window sunshade. You can find this at Amazon, and there's a set of 2. And yeah, and it tells you the instruction on the back over here, and I will just show you how it works. This is from Dualeco. It's right here, Dualeco. This is for the car window, you know, for the car window, because, like, you know, it's especially if it's sunny and you don't want, you know, the sun, like if you're in the car and then you don't want the sun, and so it will block the sunlight, and then it's not too bright. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. And so let's see. Whoops. Okay, there's a card over here. It says Dualeco. How do you pronounce it? Dualeco or Dualeco? I don't know, but yeah, sorry if I can't pronounce it very good. That's that. And so this one, it comes with a bag. So you know, you can, after you use it, you just have to put it in the bag and see. Okay, there it goes. And okay, let's open this one. And later I'm gonna show you how I, you know, install it on the window. Okay, so here it is, like that. There's 2 of them, and what else is in here? Okay, so there's I don't know how many suctions over here. Okay, there's 2, 4, 6. There are 18 suctions, guys, like this one here, that you can just, you know, stick it to the window. And okay, and I think this one over here where you have to put the suctions. Okay, so now here, the back one, there's 2 out. Okay. These are for the suctions over here, this 4, so you can just adjust it wherever you want, and like that. And you can insert, you know, one of the suction over here. All you do is, I think, yeah, probably pull that one so you can insert the suction. Okay. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, there you go. There. Okay, so I'll just pull this suction up, and then I'll do the same thing on the rest of this one. Okay. Okay, so here it is. And then you can just stick this to the car window, and it's more like a blind, you know, like you have a window blind, kind of like that. So it will, like, if there's a sun, so it won't bother your eyes, you know, just too bright. And so all you do is just pull this here. So that's what it looks like. And you can just stick this to the car window, and then you just have to pull it. And okay, so when you're done, right here, you can just, that was so quick. Okay, let's try it again. So I had to pull this down. Oops. Okay, there you go. This is okay. And then on this side here, you just have to pull it up. So and you can also put suctions, you know, down here. And this one is a sticky thing, so you just have to pull this like that. And there are holes right here, so you can just put, you know, suctions also. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how to assemble it. And okay, there it is. And then I will show you guys how I put it, you know, on our car window. Okay, so here it is. This is the car window over here. And oh, it's hot in the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this car window shade like that up here. Hopefully it will, you know, stuck in there. There you go, like that. There. So, and I'm gonna pull this one, whichever you prefer, because this is the end to that. So I'm gonna stick to that one there. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just showing you what it looks like in the car. Or you could, you know, whatever you want to do it like this way. And let's see how it looks like when I take this off. Okay, like that. And just pull that one and then pull this, it will pull up automatically. Okay, you can put it that way, or come on, let's try this one. Let's try the other way. And you can also put, well, let me see, it won't put like that, so I can put it that way because it's too long, see? So I'll just have to put it this way. You just have to press this so it will pull automatically. Yeah, you can have one, or you can use, you know, both sides. I'll just put this where my, you know, on the side where my daughter, you know, sit on the back, so she won't have the, you know, like the sun shining on her face. So yes guys, and okay, so that was it. I hope you liked this video, and leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. And I uploaded videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.